Hello, good day everyone. I'm Tevs. Welcome back to this channel. My next repair is a Panasonic Plasma TV. Model THP42X30V. Not turning on and no standby light indicator. I'll show you how to fix it. If you liked electronics or want to repair TV and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel. So never forget to like the videos and subscribe to this channel. You can also ring the notification bell to keep you updated. So let's get started. The TV has no power, so let's first measure voltages. This is the PFC and this is the main power supply, and this is the standby supply. Let's first measure the standby supply. The center pin of this diode is the cathode, so let's tap the test probe there to test the voltage. The voltage is only about 2.2 volts and decreasing. Seems there is a problem with the standby power supply.
I-message mo iso na may nirikat di ba banukuan?
Let's remove the power board to see more components on the other side. Before we test any component on the power board, make sure that the main capacitor has no charge. No charge, so it is now safe. This is the diode that we measure a voltage of 2.2 volts. And another SMD diode here. Let's set the multimeter to resistance and test any short circuits. Seems we have a short circuit here on the other diode. Let's use the digital multimeter. Set to continuity mode. Beep means a possible short circuit. Seems this diode is shorted. Let's desolder it. This SMD diode is shorted. The part number is B3100. It's a 3.0 amps, high voltage Schottky barrier rectifier. I have this LED driver board and have the diode with the part number of SK310, seems they are similar. Let's remove it and then replace it with the B3100. According to the Google data sheet, they are the same ratings. The SK310 diode test is good. Let's solder the SK310 diode. The diode is now soldered. Let's now measure the voltages. The voltages are now steady. Let's use the digital multimeter. The SMD diode measures 7.3 volts, and the other diode is 15.8 volts. Looks like the standby power supply is working now. Let's place back the power board. Let's try it. Seems okay now.
A few moments later.
The TV is now working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. You can help this channel by liking and subscribing to it. You can also give a super thanks, and that will be great. You can also ring the notification bell to keep you updated. Once again, I'm Tefts. See you again next time. Bye for now.
Whoa! You did it! You took the fruits of our labor